An increasing number of banks are under pressure to provide more help for homeowners in trouble. Chase opened a new office in Walnut Creek specifically to prevent foreclosures. On the Consumer Watch, Kwon with what the Homeowner Center now offers. Sue.
Well, if you have a mortgage with Chase, EMC, or Washington Mutual and you're struggling to pay it, you can actually walk into a real permanent office in Walnut Creek. It's where you can finally put a face to the voices over the phone that have been in charge of modifying loans.
Homeowner Simon knew he first turned to Consumer Watch in January when he needed help lowering his mortgage payment with Chase.
The whole reason that I need help is because since I refinanced my house, we've had 2 kids, and of course it comes expenses, hospital.
But for more than a year, Simon submitted paperwork over and over and has been rejected 4 times, sometimes for the strangest reasons.
And I have documents here that they're giving me a month from the date of the letter that I have received to submit documents, but the deadline they're giving me is the same date as the letter's dates.
We put him in touch with a nonprofit homeownership center and was still denied. Now Chase is opening a new walk-in center in Walnut Creek for homeowners just like him to get real FaceTime.
We have opened these centers to avoid any misunderstanding on the customer's behalf. So we have 51 local centers in the most deeply impacted areas for foreclosure.
Ty says homeowners like Simon will be walked through the entire modification process by a counselor at no cost. Since January, Chase has offered more than 750,000 modifications on more than $100 billion in mortgages. Simon just hopes he can be added to the list.
I am willing to just try anything, but if they just say no, if they can't afford to help me, I'm going to lose my house.
And we will follow up with him. The Home Ownership Center is at 1390 South Main Street. That's in Walnut Creek. And there are 4 other centers in Oakland, Santa Clara, Sacramento, and Stockton.